StockX Air Jordan 8 Black, launched in February 2018 during NBA All-Star Weekend, is regarded as one of Drake's most iconic sneaker collaborations with Jordan Brand. The pair stands out with its premium mix of black tumbled leather, suede overlays, metallic gold touches, red Jumpman details, and discreet OVO OWL logos on the heel and footbed. Initially retailing for $225, the shoe sold out swiftly but continues to thrive on resale platforms like StockX and GOAT, often fetching higher prices because of its limited availability. While fans often compare it with the earlier OVO 10s, many value the subtle branding and classic design of the 8s. Beyond its aesthetics, the sneaker reflects Drake's long-running partnership with Jordan and remains a must-have grail for collectors, symbolizing cultural relevance, rarity, and lasting appeal well after its original release.